Hey guys, Voinski here, and I am getting ready to do something that I've never done before. I'm going to be doing a 60-hour metabolic reboot. So what that's going to do is that for the next 60 hours, it's going to start tonight. I think I'm starting tonight at 9 o'clock. I am going over the next 60 hours to not consume any food except for what I got in my reboot kit. So I'm going to show you, I haven't even unpacked this yet myself. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's from a company called Pruvit, and it's this reboot kit. And I'm going to show you what's inside. Again, I haven't even opened it. I just took the plastic off and that was it. So this is what I'll be consuming for the next 60 hours. Okay, so you open it and there's a whole bunch of stuff inside. Okay, I wonder if it's all kind of in order. So I know that there's a couple of these in here. Keto Calm Tea. This is what I'm supposed to start my night with right here. There are some better broths. It's like bone broth. This one is a thyme flavor. And where's the other one? I know that there's two more. This one's a salted caramel flavor. Okay. This is gut-friendly superfood. Supports healthy joints and skin, muscle, and detox. Okay, so this is salted caramel. There's two of these in here. And then the thyme, I'm actually excited to try this one out. I'm gonna have this one, so I'll have one of those each day. So I'm starting it tonight, and then it's 2 days, and then on the next day after that, I get to actually consume food again. And what this is gonna do, it says that it's a whole metabolic reset. So it gives my digestive system time to kind of take a break and not have to constantly be working through all the stuff that I'm eating. It gives my body a chance to take a break, reset itself, kind of replenish my cells, and put me in a really deep state of ketosis. I'm excited about it. I'm gonna take pictures, I'm gonna get on the scale before and after and see what happens. Here's another tea. Let me see how many of these we have. Okay, so I have 3 teas. I have 2 of these chocolate ones, Keto Calm chocolate, and then we take these before bed, and this one is caramel apple. So there's this one too. So, ooh, I'm excited about that. Okay, then we have ketones, exogenous ketones. We do 2 each day. The ones that they gave us are raspberry lemonade, it looks like. These are caffeine free, and it looks like these are the caffeinated ones. Oh, I love that. How pretty is that, right? Okay, so I'm gonna do my caffeine poly ones during the day, and then later on in the afternoon I'll do caffeine free, right? Okay, and the very last thing in here, it says, these are capsules, Signal OS. So it says the operating system that signals cell-to-cell interaction and DNA repair for optimized human performance, energy, cognition, and longevity. It's gluten-free, caffeine-free, and it has the AC11 DNA repair in it, which this stuff is really awesome because it's also in my keto cream. And this is one of the reasons why I love my keto cream stuff. So that's it. So it's like 2 pills a day, I think, for the next 60 hours, or maybe more than that. There's instructions. I'm gonna read them. I'm gonna document my journey. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start off with a Keto Calm tea tonight, and then tomorrow it really kicks in. So tomorrow is just ketones, this better broth 2 times a day. I'll do a salted caramel one probably during the day, and then a thyme at night just to kind of feel like I'm having dinner, I guess. And then another tea before I go to sleep. Oh, and another ketone. So I'm gonna document for you guys. We're gonna see how this goes, see if I can last, see how it makes me feel. I don't know, I've never done fast like this before, and it's not really a fast because you are consuming calories and some nutrition that your body needs through these. However, you're not chewing food, you're only drinking things, you're not having meals, you're only having this stuff that's in here. So I have no idea how I'm gonna do. So you guys are gonna come with me on my journey, and the next time I'll see you is when I am starting tonight with my tea, and then we'll see how I go tomorrow, and tomorrow I'm gonna be at work, so it's gonna be really interesting. So let's see how it goes. Hi guys, okay, so it's about 9 o'clock, and this is the first night, it's Sunday night, and I'm gonna be making Keto Calm chocolate tea. So I'm gonna be using this. I have my water on. It says not to make it with boiling water. So this is the first thing. I'm already tired, so I'm gonna have this, get ready to get into bed, and then we'll be tracking how I do tomorrow. So tomorrow's really the first full day of this. And I don't normally really eat anything until about like 12 or 1 o'clock in the afternoon anyway, so I feel like the morning time won't be hard, but it'll probably be later on in the day. So wish me luck, and here I go. Okay, so it's Monday morning and I'm literally in my car on my way to work, but so far I have taken my 2 capsules with water, and I have my raspberry lemonade ketone mixed up, and I'm gonna bring it with me, and the rest of the stuff I'm gonna be doing while working today, so that'll be interesting. I woke up feeling totally fine and normal. I mean, again, nothing really happened last night. All I did was drink the tea, which it did make me sleepy, and then had a pretty great night's sleep, and now just getting ready for work. And again, I don't typically eat till like 1 o'clock anyway, so I'm not super worried about it. So we'll see how the rest of the day goes. Okay, so 4:15 and doing my second ketone of the day, and I just have to say, I know it's day 1, so it's like not really a big deal, right? However, no caffeine headache, no coffee headache. I haven't had coffee today, and I have not experienced a headache at all, which for me is amazing. So far that's great. Can you see Jack? Aww. I don't know, I just thought you guys should see him. You hear him a lot in the videos, so okay, I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, okay, so it is, I took my glasses off so I can't see. What time is it? 6:45. Monday night, so I'm still less than 24 hours into the reboot. Right now I'm getting ready to do the dinner, which is keto time, which I'm super psyched about. Everyone keeps saying it just kind of tastes like chicken broth. Other people said it reminded them of Thanksgiving dinner, so I think that's pretty high praise for that. So we're gonna make this, have this tonight, and then I still have a tea too before I go to bed, so there's like a lot of stuff going on. Okay, so I wasn't gonna come back onto the video, however, I made the keto time bone broth, and it's really good, like really good, to the point where maybe it's because I haven't eaten all day, but it's like great. I have in this big huge thing. And Thanksgiving dinner is an actual really good description of it. So. Okay, it's Tuesday morning and I have a headache. I definitely did not drink enough water. And you can tell I'm going totally real with you because I have not done anything yet. So today I'm gonna drink more water, and I'm about to have my ketone and my capsules and see how it goes. Okay, so day 2 is definitely harder than day 1, I'll say that. I'm getting ready right now to do the lunch hour, which I think is salted. I'm just gonna get it out so you guys can see it. Let's see. Okay, yeah, so I'm doing this one, salted caramel. And yesterday I did it in cold water, so today I'm actually gonna do it in hot water. See what it tastes like, and I'm like very cold right now, so I feel like that'll help me warm up a little bit. I did have a headache. I realized today my caffeine addiction and just how bad it probably is. So I am getting one of my, and I know what it feels like when I get a caffeine headache, and that's kind of what I'm getting right now because I haven't had coffee now since Sunday morning, and it's Tuesday morning. So I'm kind of feeling it. So, okay, this is it. And I'm also taking 2 more of those capsules, and then I'll update you guys on how it is hot. I don't know, I'm a little nervous about it. Okay, so I did it. 60 hours is up, and I will say the second day, like yesterday, it was hard. I had a headache. I didn't feel really great, but I woke up today. I went to bed early last night. I woke up today feeling energized, wonderful. Seriously, like I would do it again. I lost a few pounds. I didn't get to do my compare pictures yet because I just wanted to pop up and talk to you guys before I started my day, but I feel really, really good. So that's awesome. Okay, so I did this 60-hour metabolic reboot. Tuesday was rough for me. I definitely had a headache, but like I said this morning, I I was feeling great all day. I had a little bit of breakfast. I had scrambled eggs. I tried to have bacon and I couldn't. I was too full. I had a very, very light lunch. I had spinach artichoke dip with cucumber, so I stopped. I definitely learned a lot through it. I learned that I can go without snacking. I can go without having to eat a ton. It shows me how much you really actually need in order to be healthy and survive, and how much we just have of an abundance and we just like take for granted and just eat out of habit and all those types of things. It's something I would definitely do again. I think it would probably be easier the second time around doing it. I learned a lot about my water intake, my coffee intake, learned a lot about myself. I had friends that did it with me, and they all learned a lot about themselves too in their relationship with food, which was really interesting and really encouraging, and showing you that no matter how old we are, where we're at in our situation and our goals and our lives, whatever we're trying to reach, there's still something more we can learn about ourselves too, which is really interesting and awesome. And you know, if this was awesome for you and you liked it, go ahead and hit this like button right here, subscribe, hit the bell, get notified of when new stuff comes out. And if you want to try to take out this reboot and try it out for yourself, we're doing it once a month, and it's really interesting. I'm going to put a link down in the description box too, in case you want to try it and you want to get on the wait list for that, because there is a wait list. So have a great time on your journey. Thank you guys so much for watching.